Dave, can you hear me?
Good morning. Hello.
Good afternoon. So,
Uh,
so say,
Mister, I
yeah,
sent you the homework, right?
yes, you send me the homework, but sometimes I don't have a chance to look at the homework.
ايوه بس انا مش عارف هو ليه مش شغال، يعني الكود مش شغال.
Okay.
وانا عملته زي اللي احنا عملناه المره اللي فاتت بالظبط.
It doesn't have to be exactly the same, Safe.
لا يعني سيم ايديا، بس هو مش فاهم ليه مش شغال.
Okay. So, okay, let us talk about this logic, but let me see where is Ali. I suppose Ali is joining, right? He said he's waiting in the waiting room.
انا اللي قلت waiting.
Uh, it doesn't.
I am the one who said I'm waiting in the waiting room.
Okay, okay, yeah, okay. Never mind. Let me try to explain to you. Can you share your screen?
Okay. Okay, I'm
Can-
sharing now. I
Okay,
will
let
share
me
now.
try to write to him.
Yes.
If you can join, please do. Uh, uh, uh. Safe. It is
ايه
5:30.
ده خلاص it's working.
Really? It
يا
suddenly
بس
worked.
شايف. ايوه اهو اشتغلت دلوقتي.
Wait. Give me a second. Give me a second. So safe. Just a reminder, please. Actually, the class is 5:30. It's a mistake from my side, and not only that,
Okay.
but I already mentioned it in the during the previous class. If you check the recording, actually you have the recording, right? So I give you access to the recording. So in the recording, in the last 5 minutes, we discussed, actually last 2 or 3 minutes, we discussed about that, right? So let me try to open for you. Just a simple reminder. Uh,
Mr. Ali in the waiting list, in the waiting room.
okay. No, it's not.
هي
So
بس لسه بعت رسالة.
yeah.
اوكي.
Oh, I said 5 p.m.
Yes in
Yeah. So, oh, it's my mistake. It seems that I am the one who makes the mistake. Also, even in the recording. Okay, interesting. Okay, that's totally on my side, I believe. Okay, and good to hear that. I will try to correct it then. That is
all
very bad.
sessions will be 5:30, right?
Yes. All sessions will be 5:30 because wow, he's not in the waiting room. I can't see him.
I will send to him.
No, not yet. Uh, very strange. I can't see him in the waiting room. Okay.
مثلا انا عرفت الغلطة بتاعتي.
Okay, tell me what
عشان
is it?
شايف انا يا مستر.
Uh-huh.
ما كتبتش نمبر 2، كتبت نمبر بس.
Oh, okay. That is one thing, but then okay. So can you explain to me actually what was the purpose of the exercise, if you don't mind?
Yes هو you will the person will insert will enter two numbers.
Okay, and
Number num1 and num2.
okay,
Okay, then like the program wants us to compare between them if number one is bigger than number two, or
okay,
if number two is bigger than one, or if both of them are equal.
okay. That's so okay. So let me just try to understand from you here. So you are telling if this is true, we will go and check this one, right? So if number two is bigger than number one,
Yes.
so okay, first of all, this is not very clear. So can you please put some space here or put a colon after the one here? Here.
هنا
Yes.
احط column.
After one. Yes. And also do the same here.
Okay.
So that when you put a number, it doesn't become 135 and 130 and 236.
Okay.
Okay, now run, please. Okay, so
50. 55.
Okay, so
ايه ده غلط.
yeah, definitely it is wrong. Definitely, yes. So when you put 50, so when you put 55 as a number 2, it means that we will come here. But I mean, so okay, let me put it this way.
يعني اغير الكلام كده.
Yeah, definitely it should be wrong, but wait. So
Okay.
if, first of all, if number 2 is bigger than number 1, we will write that. But you cannot put 2 if in this way. So you have to put it, design it in this way. So if, okay, n1 bigger than n2 or whatsoever, or even like what you did, it doesn't matter. And then you said if. So if this is satisfied, we will print this. We print something. Okay, whatever. I mean, you say, you can say n1 bigger than n2. You can put whatever. It doesn't matter.
Yes.
Okay, and then if
يعني حط ال اف مكان اف مره كمان.
yes, because okay,
بس
so
احنا ليه ما عملناش كده المره اللي فاتت؟
it depends on the logic of the exercise itself. So wait, he's not joining yet. Okay, so okay, listen
بس
to
انا
me.
مستر. اوكي.
The point here, in the previous case, you depend. Okay, yeah, he's trying to join. So in the previous case, in the previous exercise, we was talking about that if something is satisfied, which is that the number is bigger than 50, we would like to know more information about this specific case. But if the number 1 is bigger than number 2, we would just only need to print this and nothing else. But then we check other cases. I mean, here we can say that
يعني
okay,
انا امسح لاين
number 2.
4 اصلا واستخدم ال اف مش
Yes,
از.
yes.
اوكي ماشي، يعني انا همسح ده كده واغير الساين هنا.
You can make it as it is at the moment. It's yeah. Okay.
اوكي.
So it this works with it, right? And then you modify here.
وهموديفاي ديت ال اف.
Yes.
اكتب الكونديشن ولا مش لازم؟
Yes, definitely you have to write the condition. Else you don't have to write the condition, but with if you have to write the condition.
Okay.
So now you say n2 is bigger than n1.
Number 2 is bigger than. كده تمام؟
Yes, initially, yes.
اوكي.
Okay, reverse. Put 10 and 5. Something is wrong then. So if you put
هو ما
actually,
كانش راضي، كان في
wait,
الاول ما
just
كانش راضي
wait,
يعمل كده.
wait first. So this
Okay.
is exactly like this. They are both the same. How come? Here you're telling number 1 is bigger than. Okay, now that makes sense. Okay, so now you see.
Yes.
Okay, now so you can actually improve this to look like, okay, so actually you can just put it as else. Okay, or you
yes.
can even put it as if. Okay, so you can just remove this, because okay, if this is not bigger than this, and if this is not bigger than this, definitely the only remaining condition that they are equal. Okay, so run again and see. Does it make sense? Does it work? Right?
Yeah.
So okay, I mean, did you understand now?
Yes.
So okay, when you are going to do a nested if statement, which means that you come inside here and you also put another if
يعني ايه
statement.
nested؟
Nested means that if you have an if here, and then inside under it you make another if with a condition and then with else. Same like the previous exercise. So okay, now
Mister,
if
can you repeat again, please?
what you don't hear it?
Yes.
Mister, like I know, like I can give an example.
Okay, you can, but just let me try to understand. You don't hear me? Is it the voice
لا
is...
لا لا بس my brother was اخويا بس كان جنبي كان بيرخم عليا.
Oh, okay. Okay. He does this always?
No.
Okay. Okay. So you can give, yes, Ali, you can give an example, please. Yes, go on.
Yeah, like if we are offering like some services for people like who are under 18 maybe, so we need to make sure first that they are under 18. So we'll say like if age less than 18,
Mhm.
like then we will enter this like the second
You
F
enter
is
this
like,
kind of situation.
yeah. So like
Okay, so let me again, I mean, in this case, we said num n1 and n2. This is what you wrote. This is exactly what you wrote here. Okay.
Yes.
So what if I would like to, I know now if I come here, I know for sure that n2 is bigger. Okay.
Yes.
So I just want to know that is it n2 bigger than 100 or no? So this is a
زي بتاعت
condition.
المرة اللي فاتت يعني.
Exactly. So you base your judgment or your question or your condition based on this kind of result, that this will be true. If this is true, then you're going to check something else that you give you more information. Okay. So same like Adi said. He said we can check the age. If the age is bigger than 18, we go and check the second condition, which is that you are a male. If the sex is equal male, so it means that he's a guy. He's a guy. He's not a female. So we will just print, okay, he is capable or adult. But adult can, I mean, adults, it can work for females and males. But what about, right? Am I right? In English wise, I believe yes.
Yes.
So because adult describing the age category, but not really a male or female. So the sex normally describe a male and female. I'm talking about sex as a category, not as a behavior. So so guys, you see here. So if he is a male, then he is capable to go maybe to rescue, maybe go for maybe let me see, he can be
firefighter.
Firefighter. Okay, fine. Firefighter. He can be, and we can say here firefighter. Okay, so the point here that you are basing on this. If this is correct or this is true, then you check the second condition. If it's satisfied, then he can be a firefighter. But what if it is he's a female, for example? So it means that I can put else, and I say, sorry, he cannot be a firefighter. Okay, so that is what I want to say. Did you understand what I said, or it is hard to understand?
No, I understand.
Okay, so in this
بتاع المرة اللي فاتت يعني.
Yeah, this is exactly like the previous time, yes. But this one, no. This one is actually you're having 3 different conditions. The number can be equal. One of them can be bigger than another, or the opposite side. Like here, this is totally opposite to this. So you cannot put the condition here of this under here. Cannot.
Okay.
You understand? Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So Ali, did you manage to do the homework? Actually, you did the homework already. I mean, like now you already know how the homework works. Am I right?
Yeah, I did it. I can share if you want.
No, you just explain to me. I mean, what did you learn from this?
Do I stop sharing?
Yes, you can stop sharing. Yes. What did you learn from the exercise? What does it, what information or what it adds to you?
Oh,
To you, or to you as a person who actually maybe put some effort and time to be able to solve the exercise?
okay. So, like, I don't understand the question. Like, what do you
Okay,
mean?
so Ali, are you still feeling that the Python is complicated, isn't it?
No, this one was easy. Like, this one has nothing hard. This exercise.
Okay, so
Like, I already took if and else if and like I took them in pseudocode, so like they're easy. This one
okay,
was
yeah. So Ali, I just want to tell you that the people that I teach, they get more difficult exercises than I believe what you took in the pseudocode. The schools, not because of they
Mister,
are preparing for the exam. Yes,
Mister, can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you. You can't hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yes, safe. Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Any problem?
No, like just for a second, I couldn't hear anything.
Okay. So Ali, what I want to say that the people who studied IGCSE, not me teaching them. I mean, I taught them, yes, but as a private tutor. But what they take in the school is actually sometimes a bit harder than what we are the exercises that we're taking here. So they practice Python hard, actually. That's what I want to tell you. It doesn't tell that you are bad or what, but okay. So the Egyptian tutors have a different perspective of what's happening here. So maybe they only care about what, how to say, about the exam only. They don't care about the future. So, but definitely the other schools outside Egypt, they care about your future, not only the exam. They look at you after 2 or 3 years. If you do not know Python, you don't learn it when you have a chance, then definitely you will have an issue. So these people look ahead, you know. So okay, now let me think what I should say. So what I want to say that you should not feel complicated. You are energetic, okay, and I believe you could be a good programmer, but you don't study. That's very clear. I mean, you take it easy, but programming is not easy. It's not fun. It is fun to some extent, but if you don't study it, I mean, even little, then definitely you will not end up in a good situation. You will dislike it after a few more sessions. So I can tell you, any of you two, both of you actually, if you do not study computer science with me, at least revise the slides. At least the minimum is to revise the slides and the exercises that we take. After 2 or 3 sessions, you will give up. Because we will going to go into advanced topics a little bit by little bit. We will dig deeper a little bit by little bit. And then after that, you will find that you cannot really answer any questions. So I don't want that to happen to you. You guys saved some time actually in the
Yes.
arrangements that your parents are doing to you, and they are going to spend a lot of money to bring you outside Egypt, almost 10 times the prices or that we are seeing here. So
Why?
oh, it's the same maybe.
really, is it the same? The
Yeah,
university
Why?
is the same?
if you go to GUCE or like maybe like the
Of course. Yeah, definitely, of course. Yes,
Mister,
I have
why?
to. Why what?
10 times the normal price.
Because of the currency, and
Ah,
because you
okay.
will be far away also from your parents. So
yes.
instead of if you are living with your parents, they cook for you, and then you stay with them in the same house, and you don't have
Yes.
to rent a different house. And also, I don't know about your case,
But
but
not 10 times, maybe 2 times. Okay, two
okay,
times.
okay. So
Mister, but there are also expensive universities in Egypt,
yes,
like more
but
expensive even in Malaysia.
if you're talking about AUC and GUC, maybe this is the only two. Maybe I'm not very sure if I'm not sure about the prices at the
The
moment.
universities in العاصمة الإدارية.
Oh, really? I have no idea about the prices, but
They are all
also expensive.
yes.
Okay, so and of course they don't have the ranking like the Malaysian universities. So
لا
definitely,
خالص يا مستر.
of course, I understand. I understand that our ranking is horribly bad. So
2000 ال AUC 2200 أصلا.
yeah, you see. So that's a
Yes.
big difference. Even though, I mean, when I taught people in the GUC, I saw that their exercises and the exams are more difficult than what I saw in Malaysia. That is very sad. Okay. So they have difficult exercises and difficult exams, but they are not ranking. That's very bad. Okay.
Yes, Egypt is hard. عين شمس كمان يا مستر دي أصعب واحدة فيهم كلهم.
Yes, but I don't think that it is by difficulty. I don't think the ranking comes by difficulty. It's
لا هو comes by research of the university.
research. I
Yes,
think they also
like
yeah.
in a certain topic, how many researchers did the university make?
Okay,
And
possible, yeah. And
yes,
maybe also that we as universities are maybe not really well organized, and we are not
also
able
the
to
age of
have,
the university.
yeah, possibly. But you have to understand that Malaysian university is quite new compared to,
Yes, but some of them, the really good ranking ones are the ones like they are not in Malaysia. It's not their main
they
place,
don't
like
branch.
Madinah.
Yes, they have other
It's
branches outside.
yes,
Yes, I understand. Okay, anyhow, let's go back to the topic. Okay, so anyhow, guys, actually the chance to excel in Malaysia, the competition in Malaysia is quite not strong. And the possibility that you can excel in Malaysia is there. You are able to excel in Malaysia because there is not much competition like Egypt. Egypt, we are eating each other. So if you have a competitor, either you eat him or he will eat you. That's clear. Okay. So there is, I mean, also we are not, I mean, the Egyptian minds are quite, some of them are quite smart. And there is a lot of those smart people. So, and some, I mean, some of them maybe not smart, but they are able to study really well, that they are able to excel in exams. So anyhow, in Malaysia, you're able to excel. Okay. With some good effort, you're able to excel, but you have to put an effort. Okay. Anyhow, what I want to say, please study and revise. Programming is not like other fields. So my advice to you is at least consider the payment that your parents and the investment that the parents are actually investing in you. Programming need at least 5 to 6 hours of practice outside of my class. So maybe now
Like
we
per
don't
week or per what?
per week. So it means that you need to open the code not only to solve my exercise. If you understand an exercise and write it in the class, maybe just revise it after 1 or 2 days, go and write it again from your brain. So that at least you are able to actually, you make sure that at least what we take, you don't forget it. Because at certain times I was reminding, I was actually reminding you guys of certain algorithms that we took, like the counting algorithm, the totaling algorithm, and so on. So that's not supposed to happen. If you are revising, that should not be the case. So anyhow, okay, we go back to what we should say. I think maybe I am repeating myself a lot. So guys, let me see. Show me your code, Ali.
Okay, 1 second. One second, please.
So Saif and Ali, my comment on both of you, Saif, you are slow, but you are steady, which means that you are adding up to your skills every time. Ali is fast and he get bored very fast, but he doesn't really study or take it so serious. That's what I feel. So this is an input for you guys. I did not really yet reveal the input to your parents. So maybe I give you 1 or 2 more classes to see, and then I can reveal that input to your parents, or it's up to you. What do you think?
Listen, like I don't study not because like I don't love studying. Like I feel it's like I'm
It's
just taking
easy.
the course like to help myself like a little. Like I don't need that much. Okay, like if I'm like have
Yeah.
real exams, of course I'll study.
Okay. Yeah, but okay. So you want me to give you real exams? I mean, in the previous
No, no,
class,
I don't
actually, it
mean.
was planned. It was planned to be a quiz that I need to report it to the parents. Okay. So in the previous class, it was exactly like that. That is what I planned. But since I did not inform you ahead, so I did not want to take it serious,
Surprise us.
because I should have informed you a bit earlier that it is a quiz. Okay.
طب يا مستر
Anyhow,
انا كده حاجه كويسه ولا وحش؟
yes, not bad. It's not bad, but you still need to work. I think you need to put more time so that you at least make your speed of typing fast. Other than that, it's okay. Your side is okay.
slow في السبيد اوف تايبنج.
Yes, you need to work on fastening your speed of typing. Yes.
I thought slow learner.
No, you're not. No, you're not slow learner. Definitely not. You didn't see a slow learner. You should not hope to be a slow learner. That's very bad. That's not good at all. No.
لا I thought you meant that I'm slow learner.
No, you're not slow learner. I'm talking about your style is slow and steady, but not a slow learner. Slow learner is different. Slow learner means that the slide that I teach normal people, I need to divide it into maybe 5 different slides with very slow steps so that they can understand. They don't understand the normal thing that you people understand in just 5 minutes. So 5 minutes of explanation to you in a slow learner, I might take 2 or 3 classes to explain it to them, because they don't really, their brain abilities is much more weaker than you are. You are slow in typing and maybe in understanding things, but it doesn't mean that you are a slow learner. Slow learner is having a learning disability. That's totally different. So guys, okay, let me also focus here so that we don't waste our time. Guys, let me see here. Can you run please and give me numbers? Can you try with different numbers and tell me? Okay, they are not equal. Both of them are equal. Okay, the second is larger, the first is smaller. Wow.
This is what the exercise told us to do.
Okay, this is a totally
Like
different
I don't know
perspective.
if like Steve did it differently. I don't know. It says do these 4 things. Like say if they're not
Not,
equal,
yes, correct.
the first
Yes,
thing, and then um identifying which number is larger. So I said
yes.
the second is larger, and then the first is smaller, and they
Okay,
are not.
okay. That's good. Can you try again, please? 5 and 5. Okay, let me see. Yes, okay. Well, the perspective here is totally, I mean, you solve it in a different way, totally different way. But it
I didn't
seems
use
that,
the else if. Like I used the nested if.
yes, the way that you use it here also is truly acceptable. I mean, do you understand, Saif, how he do it here?
Yes.
You understand it?
ايوه عشان هنا ما هو لو مش ايكوال فلازم الكونديشن التاني هيتحقق عادي.
Yes. So he take a different perspective, and that if you didn't use AI, if you, I mean, if I am sure that 100% you didn't use AI, so I would say that I would say that maybe 70%, but this need to be confirmed, but 70% there is a good potential for you to become a programmer, a good programmer actually. if you did not use AI. This is, I cannot confirm 100%
If
from
or
this.
else if.
No. If there is no else
Okay.
if. This is, I'm telling that if you did not use AI to get this exercise solved,
Mister, I wrote this before like 100 times. Like
really, in your
I
in the pseudocode.
yes, we took if and else if and case otherwise.
Yes, I
We took all
understand.
of
But
it.
did you take the same exercise before?
Yeah, of course. This was like the first thing we took at the beginning of the year.
Okay,
Like
so it means that you have seen it before. Okay,
yes, a lot.
okay, then it's good. Yeah, but then it doesn't mean, then I withdraw my conclusion. So since you have taken it before, and this is, yeah, so I withdraw my conclusion. I need to see something that you didn't take before, and then I need to see your answer for it. So based on that, I can tell you, yes, you can be a good programmer or not, because I have seen it in other students. But the answer here is not bad at all. It's good. It's a good perspective. Okay, so it's a different view or a different solution for the same problem. So in programming, we are able to solve a same problem in different methods, and all of them can lead to a working solution. Okay, so not bad at all. Good. Okay, now let me continue, please. Let me see here. We stopped at what? Okay. Guys, we stopped here last time, right? Do you still remember? Guys? Hello?
Yes, yes, we took this last
We
time.
took that. Okay, that's good. So, but did we take an example for this? No, using not?
No,
Okay.
no.
So, sometimes in the programming, when you're writing a program, sometimes you need to actually use a variable that is a Boolean, of a type Boolean. So let me think of so I will say status equal true. And then I am able to say if the status is equal true, then print everything is fine. So can you guys write these 3 lines, please? Ali, can you do that, please?
Yes, I'm doing. I'm done.
Okay. So if you are done, is it possible that you can come here and remove that part? So remove this and try to run and tell me if you are seeing
Mister,
the
I'm done.
exact. Okay, that's good. So guys, I want both of you to remove that part that I am hashing in red. Remove it and try to run and see if you have the same output.
Yes.
You have the same output, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, because because if we say like this means this means true. If you say not status, it means like false. So if you say nothing, it means true, like automatically it means true.
Yes, so since this is a Boolean, so even if I remove that part, which is equal true, this is for you safe. Then what we care that we have a true here. And since status itself is a Boolean and it contains true inside it, so it is as if we are having two
يعني كأني
comparison.
كتبت if true.
Yes, yes. So this is as simple as that. So now, guys, can we change? Is it possible that we change this status to make it false, please? And run.
مفيش حاجة بتظهر.
Okay, totally fine. So Ali, the same, right?
Oh, it says like error.
Maybe
False not found.
okay, false. Okay, did you write it with a capital or small?
Oh, okay. Now I wrote it with capital. Yes, nothing comes.
Nothing happens. Okay, perfect. So are we able to? But okay, let us try to remove that. So we remove this condition, and okay. Now, Ali, the question is to you. What should I write here to be able to print everything is fine while status equal false? So this remain the same. I don't want to change it, but tell me the condition that I should
We
write
need
here.
to say if not status.
Okay, that is good. If not status. Can we do that? I think for safe, so that is not confused, we use a not exactly like this.
Capital letter صح؟
As no, small.
Okay.
So can you write it and tell me if you got everything is fine?
So we write this?
Yes.
أيوة everything is fine.
So, okay, safe. Let me explain this to you since you did not study that before. So the not invert anything. So if you pass the not to true, the
يبقى
result
false.
is false. And if you pass the not with false, it
يبقى true.
inverted to make it true. I mean, safe, are you following up?
Yes, yes.
So do you understand now when I add the not to true, it gives you what?
Yes.
Okay,
Reverse
perfect.
يعني.
It reverse, exactly. So okay, for me to do this printing, to execute this printing, I need the condition here to be true. So how, even though that status is false, so when I say not false, so I say not false, that
Yeah, like
inverted to become true. So if this, what we have here, become true, I'm able to print this. Does this make sense or no? Safe.
It makes
Ali,
sense.
he knows. Okay, that's good. Ali, I think it's clear, isn't it?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, so guys, actually, let me just show you. So the official answer that I give to my other students is something like this. And again, programming, I mean, you can do it from different ideas. What you both guys did is okay. It's totally okay. So here we're checking equality, and we are printing if it is equal or not equal. And here, since we do these two checks, same like say we did with safe, and we print here the else, and we print that both of them is equal. But we did not check the non-equality. Okay, so this is in safe case. Okay, and that's why we put this kind of if statement here. But again, all of you actually are correct. Okay, clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let me check here. Okay. Okay. Let me see here. Nested statements.
Mister, how many chapters? Like A level. We're still in the first level, right?
We still at the initial stage that for the things that you take in the
Like
O
A
level.
level is the first one?
No. You take because the A level and the O level have overlapping information, overlapping chapters, which is the introduction that you took in the O level. So we're still there. We still did not take it all yet. Okay. So you would like to move faster, I believe, but I think that will really harm Mr. Safe a lot. So let's see. Guys, I would like to introduce for you something called nested for. Same like we take the nested if.
Okay.
Can you see that, please?
Yes.
Okay, so this is a typical for loop that we took before, right? Can you guess, can you, Ali, guess, tell me what is this loop is doing?
Yeah, so like it will start from counter like 1, and then it will end at 3. It will print like a string of the counters, like from 1 to 3.
Okay, fine. What about this? Any idea what is this?
No, this one is like I don't understand it.
But this is nested, isn't it? You
Yeah, I
have
don't
taken nested
understand the
loops, right?
nested, but I don't understand the like another counter and then 1 second.
Okay, so we have two variables. One is
Yeah,
called
counter
counter
and
and another counter. So in the first loop, we call it an outer loop, right? And
Yeah.
this we call it an inner loop. So in the outer loop, we will print numbers. Can you tell me we print numbers from what to what?
From 1 to
One and-
3.
1
1 to
and
5.
2. Wait, why 1 and 5? This is here.
No, the second one 1 to 4. The first one 1 to 2.
Okay, so here 1 to 4 and here 1 to 2. Okay, that's good. So for every one of those,
هو STR دي مستبدل ايه؟
STR is when you want to convert an integer into a string. You pass it an integer, which is, here counter, it's carrying it's a variable that carry numbers.
Yes.
Okay, so if you put it with str or without str, it will be done, especially inside the print, it will be done automatically to you. So even normally we practice it so far without str and it works. But if
بس
you
هو كده في الحقيقة بيحصل
yes,
transformation.
internally, yes, Python do it internally for you. So yes, correct, because we cannot add a number to a string. We need both of them to be the same. So internally, yes, he do it for you.
Okay.
So who said that? Safe?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, that's not bad. That's why I said yeah. One is very fast and one is steady and stable. That's good. So you have both different styles, but maybe both of you can reach your goals. So
I didn't
guys,
even hear what he said.
really? Okay.
Yes, like I didn't understand what he said. Like,
Never mind. It's okay. He said anyway, it's going to be converted. So yes, internally,
okay.
yes. So even if you, if you omit the str, the Python will not add a number to a string. It cannot. It's not allowed. You have to. It have to internally convert the counter to a string for you without even you putting the str. So in this case, it's not really needed because the Python will do it for you internally. Okay. Now, so first of all, let me actually go through instead of just okay. So let us go step by step here. Maybe we can try to understand what's going on here. So we have, as we said, we have outer loop, we have inner loop. So every time I click, we will see an output here. So we understand things by putting print statements. We have two print statements here. I think you can notice that with a different, for us to recognize the difference between each print statement, look at the text here. And look at the text here. That can mark which print statement that we are seeing in the output. So look at here. Now I print counter equal 1, which is logic. That's from the outer loop, I'm getting 1. I click one more time. So I only printed that once. So this is printed once. Once this is executed, I go to execute what? The for loop, the inner for loop. The inner for loop will run from 1 to 2. Okay, and then it will print something that we can recognize. Can you see here? It print another counter equal 1. I click one more time. We will see that it print another number, which is another counter equal 2. Just bear in mind, we still here in counter, the value in the counter here is 1. It's there. Okay. And then I click one more time. So by reaching 2, the inner loop ended. So it ended because I reached the 3, and the 3 is excluded. So I will finish here and go up again to the outer loop. So once I go to the outer loop, the counter here, the counter variable value will actually be incremented. So I will print counter equal 2. I come here and print counter equal 2. Then I press one more enter. Okay. Can you see at the bottom? After I printed that, I start to execute the inner loop again. And the inner loop, can you guys see it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So after I print counter equal 2, I start to print another counter again, but I start from 1. So can you see the 1 here? Because it's blocked by the status bar of the Windows. Is it clear?
I'm shy.
Oh, okay. Then I would. Okay, guys, wait. I need to. Let me try to see.
هو كده كويس أحسن.
Okay, that's good. So what I want to say that once I incremented this to 2, which is here, done by this, I start to execute the inner loop. So I will start to execute the inner loop again from 1. So that's why you see here 1. Okay. So let me go to the next slide. Can you see now? So
Yes.
definitely I will keep executing the inner loop until it finish. It finish once I print here 2. So you see here, for every number in the outer loop, I will execute the inner loop until it's finished. So this is done for 1, and this is done for 2, and then I'm executing the inner loop again until it finish. And that is how the inner loop, the outer loop and the inner loop works. Can you please write these 4 lines of code and tell me once you finish?
Okay.
Okay.
same file same
You can do it on the same file. Totally fine. Yes, totally fine.
Okay.
But you can put it on the top so that you can see, you can obviously see the result.
أنا عملت comment.
Okay. What's the issue, guys? Why so
I'm
long?
in the last line.
Ali is disappearing. Ali, go to eat.
No, I'm here. I'm about like I'm the last. So, wait.
Impossible. Impossible. You are still not finished yet?
Yeah,
Mister, I'm done.
Julie.
What happened to you, Ali? Ali, Ali is becoming
Yes,
weak.
Mister. I'm writing. 1 second. Give me. I'm like I think
Wow.
I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay.
Should I share or what?
No, you guys need to explain to me what you are seeing actually. Do you see the same output like what we got here?
لا أنا عندي ايرور أصلا.
And what about you, Ali? Do you have an error?
Yes, Mister. I
Uh-huh.
think I forgot something. 1 second. It says line 3. Yeah, I forgot the colon and the comma. I'll add them.
Okay, share your code, please, until we confirm with Ali what's the issue.
أنا عندي ايرور برضه.
Okay, yeah. Share your
Wait.
code. So you have we cannot leave a space in a variable. So this space is not allowed.
بس كده؟
Yeah. Run. Do you see the output?
Yes.
Okay, so what if you change this to 4? Can you, before you run,
هيعمل مرة كمان ل 3.
okay, let me see.
يبقى
Yes.
كاونتر مرة 3 يعني هيعيد نفس الكلام ده 3 مرات.
Okay,
pattern ديت.
fine. So is that clear? This pattern
Yes.
is repeating? Okay. So it means that for every, yeah. So, okay, that's good. What about if we would like to increase this 2 to 3 steps instead of 2? What should we do?
هنغير من هنا. هنخليها 4.
Okay. Ali, does this make sense to you?
Mister, I don't know. I have red lines under some words.
Okay,
Can I
so
share?
yes, safe. Stop sharing, please. Let me go with to Ali.
Okay.
We have to say touch wood to Ali, actually. I understand. I understand from where you come from. You come from the pseudocode perspective, so please indent.
Oh, so okay. So like
One
this.
tab on line number 2, another tab on line number 3, 2 tabs on line number 4.
Yeah. Yes.
Does it work?
Yes.
So, okay, can we please add, instead of 2 steps here, make them 6, please?
Okay. Okay, so we'll go 1 until 8. No, until yes, 8, I think.
Is
Like
that what I
this?
requested? I requested to make this 2, instead of those is 2, I want them to be 6.
Mm. Instead of the 2, 6.
Mm?
So here.
Okay, you can try. So instead of, okay, instead of you making them 6, you make them 7. Okay?
Okay, like this.
Yes,
But
correct.
do you mean this?
Yeah, you're correct. So yes, I meant those, and you managed to do it. So what I want to say that is actually the coding is you need to understand. So these 2 lines is responsible for this, and that this outer loop is responsible for this and this. Is that clear to you? So if I ask you to make this counter 4 times, this instead of 2, 1 and 2, I would like to have them 4. where are you going to change?
1 and 4.
1, 2. I would like another 3 and 4.
I'll change the 1 second. I change this one.
Try and see.
Okay. So I'll say 5.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, it works. That's what I expect. But now, do you understand now? I mean,
Yes.
initially you seem to be a little bit confused from where to change.
No, understood.
Okay, that's good. So, guys, would you like to take a 5 minutes break?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes,
Yes,
please.
yes or no?
Yes, please.
Okay,
Right.
yes, go. 5 minutes.
Do we still have some time, or I didn't see the time?
Guys, hello, are you back? Guys, hello. Guys, are you back?
Yes, I can hear you.
This is safe, definitely.
Yes.
Ali is still drinking some coffee.
How many minutes did we have? I think more than 5.
Yes, it's more than 5. I'm discounting them from you. Okay. So, Ali and Saif, do you see that what I'm having on the screen? So you can never achieve such star drawing without a nested for loop. Can anybody guess if I would like to get something like this, how can I get it?
من اللي فات يعني.
Of course, from the 2 for loops, you need to modify the previous 2 for loops.
بيبقوا بالأرقام ولا بالستارز برضه؟
Wait, never mind. Let me try to. Can any of you share his screen? Safe, share your screen.
Okay.
Let me try step by step. I think that's too hard for you guys. I don't want to complicate your life. So do you see here? Okay, good. Let me see here. So first of
هو
all,
هنحتاج حاجة زي while loop.
no, just
You,
Okay.
like you want every time it increase by 1, like
okay.
each time
And
it increases a star, adds a star. Like
let's have a look here first. I mean, let us look at the exercise later. I mean, we will just try to improve something here. So can you try to remove everything inside here and just put a print statement that have star like that?
Star.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Between
One
double
second.
quotation.
Star. Double quotation. هو تقريبا أنا عندي yes.
Okay, run
Okay.
please. So you can see that we are printing the star, not what's happening here. Are we printing the star all on the on top of each other, right? How many stars we have here?
I will count 1, 2, 9.
9. Okay. 9 stars. Why are we having 9 stars? Can anybody tell me? Can you change in the numbers and tell me?
Okay. No longer.
why 9? There's nothing gets you 9. I don't understand.
I think أنا لو حطيت 5. لا ثانية. لو حطيت 5 يطلع كام؟
Make it simple first.
Okay.
Put here 3 and 3.
2 مثلا. Three and 3.
Does it make sense? Here, give you 1 until 2. Here also give you 1 until 2. So
فبيعملوا
2
addition.
here, 2 here, it means that there are 4 in total.
Okay.
Does this make sense?
Yes.
Okay.
يعني كده المفروض تطلع 10.
Count?
Mm.
No, I think no. That's more than isn't it?
هو more than 10. طب
Make it
أجرب حاجة simpler. أجرب 4 مثلا.
okay. So that give you from 1
5
and
مثلا.
2 and 3. and that give you 1
1
and
and
2.
2 فكده 5 بس هو
Okay.
مديني 6.
Interesting. So this is 3 numbers, and this is
Yes.
2. So for every one from here, you get 2. So it's 3 multiplied by 2.
يعني بجيب النمبر اللي فوق ملتبلايد باللي تحت.
Yes, because every number here will run this for 1 time.
يعني هنا المفروض تبقى هنا 4 8.
Can you count?
8 صح. ايوه ماشي. I got it now.
What about Ali? You got it, or Ali?
No, I didn't get this.
Ali, what?
Mr.
Can you please repeat the last part? I didn't get the last part.
Okay, you didn't get it because you was doing something else, or
No,
you?
I was here, but the multiplication part, the 3 by 2, like I just didn't get.
Okay, so Ali, if we remember from the previous time, when you run counter here, for every counter here, you run this for a number of times, and so if you print counter equal 1, you print under it another counter for 2 times.
Okay.
You put it 1 here 2. So for every number here, you run here for 2 times. So it means that if I have here 3 and I run here 2, so I take 3 multiplied by 2. So again, so if you run here 2 times, so when the counter here equals 2, you also run this another counter equal 1, another counter equal 2. So for every one of those, you run here 2 times. And if you would, right? So it means that in total, I'm getting 4. So I multiply 2 by 2. There is 2 here and 2
So
here.
like 4 main counters, and under each one we have 2.
Yes, and if you increase that to become 3, it becomes 3, and this remain 2. So it means that 3 multiplied by 2. That's what you get.
Okay, now I got it.
But when you add 1, I mean, what they are doing here? You're adding a number to a string. How can this?
بس بجرب.
So okay, if you would like to try, I would say that you come here and comment that line number 6, and comment line number 6.
بجرب فيه.
Okay, and you remove this word counter. Just put dash, only dash, only dash. Yes.
Okay.
And remove the equal and remove this.
Remove equal.
Yes, and remove the plus.
Remove the plus.
Plus and the string and so on. All.
تمام.
Okay, run please. Can you recognize what is happening? So okay, forget about the plus, the dash here. Put it dash in the middle.
Dash in the middle. اللي هي minus يعني؟
Yes, put it minus. Yes.
Okay. زي كده.
Yes. And see. So at the moment you produce 1 until 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For every one of those from the outer loop, you produce 2 of these stars.
أيوه.
So it means that okay.
فأنا لو عايز أخليهم بعد الماينس يبقوا أكتر، أخلي مثلا مكان 3 أخليها 4 عشان يبقوا بعد الماينس أكتر.
Yes, why not?
هتبقى 3 بعد كل ماينس.
Okay, yes. Does this make sense to you? Did you have a sense of it, how it works? So
أنا؟
both of you, Ali, where are you, Ali? Yes, Ali is eating. Wallah, he is eating. He is eating now alone, and we don't have anything to eat.
Just
we
chips.
are starving. Chips only. You are busy.
I'm with you. I swear I'm with you.
Python with chips. We are practicing Python with chips. Okay. Okay. So okay, that's good. So, okay. Did you understand what we are doing?
Yes.
Python with ships. And now dashes with ships.
Oh, I understand everything in here, in this one.
Okay, this is Ali or Safe?
Ali.
Alhamdulillah. The chips finished already.
Yeah, done.
اه
Okay.
طيب ماشي اوكي الفور الديستنس ما بين 4 و1 3 فهو الباترن هتريبيت 3 تايمز فوق
Yes.
وتحت هي كام ستار تحت الماينس
Yes,
يعني
exactly.
ديت كام ستار تحت الماينس وديت الباترن هتريبيت كام مرة
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
After, like, you know, if I took if I took the computer science in Python, it would have been a lot easier.
Huh? You mean yeah, of course, Python
Yeah.
is a bit easier than pseudocode. Yes.
No, I mean, like, if I not about that pseudocode is harder. I mean, if I took it in the base, like, in I don't know why they don't give it us in Python. Like, if we took it if we take it in Python, it would be a lot easier. Like, why do we take it in pseudocode? Nobody uses pseudocode. Like,
Yes, but in the exam, most of the paper two exam is in pseudocode, right? It's only the 15 mark question that comes in Python. But
and this is optional. Like, you can
to
write it all in pseudocode.
but to be frank, with the slow learners, people who really find it hard, some people
Pseudocode.
cannot visualize pseudocode. They don't really get the ideas behind pseudocode. So you need to make them actually practice like this. So if they don't practice, they cannot really imagine the output. So they have to see it with their own eyes. When they change something, the output change. Anyhow, so guys, let us focus. Okay, I would like to teach you. Can you come here? No, wait, Safe. It's not you. Now stop sharing. Ali, I don't want Python. I don't want chips. I would like you to write. Open your code, please.
I opened.
مفيش الكلام ده صح؟
Sure again?
I don't do this
No, no. We didn't do what?
اللي علي هيعمله
You can try. Yes, definitely you can try. But let's see first on Ali. So you come here and make a for loop for me, and make it its range for I. No, for I in range 1 to 5.
Okay.
Okay, excellent. And go and print. So I would like to see you to see this kind of print. So this is asterisk, and this is end equal, and there is an empty space here.
Okay, so first we had
Asterisk,
and then
comma,
comma, and then
end equal,
equal, then
space, in the middle space. Yeah, that's good. Run.
oh, but I need to. Okay, but it's I will comment the first.
No need. You need it. You need it after that.
Okay.
I just want you to understand. So can you look here, please? I mean, can you look here? This is the output from this for loop.
Yeah.
So what did I manage to get here? I managed by putting this end to do what? I managed to actually print things on the same line. If I don't use end, it means that I'm printing something that on top of each other, like this.
So if I add here and like there's no space, or it will go like this until the end.
Yes, but I would like you to focus on putting the dash and the asterisk. So modify this, same like Safe did, with dash here and asterisk here. And then we start to implement that concept in that upper for loop.
Okay, so print, and then the first, like I'll add the.
So this, you remove it, you put a dash.
Okay.
So
like this.
Safe at the moment, please write these two, please.
اكتب اللي هو من line 10.
and
اكتب
11.
line 10 and 11
Exactly. Yes.
This,
So
but I remove
no,
the
no,
quotation.
زي ما
remove.
هم صح؟
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So this remove all. Just put print dash.
Like start from here.
Yes. Remove all. Put
مثل هي
print.
الفور اللي اكتبها تبدأ من اول لاين ولا تحت البرنت؟
I I don't get you. Sorry. What is that?
لا never mind never mind.
It's just exactly the same like this.
Okay I understand.
Okay. Remove all everything here and put this.
Yeah. Okay. Everything starting from here. Okay.
Put this. Yes. Okay. Run, please.
Yeah, we didn't use end, so it's under each other.
Can you try to use end here?
Here?
You can guess where you want, where you should actually try to put it. You
Yeah,
can put it up and down and see.
we need the comma is a must, right?
Yes.
And equal. Like just this, or I need to add equal space. Yeah, if I want space between them.
You have to put a space here in between them. Yes.
Okay. So and
مستر
equal.
هو انا كان عندي علامة السبتراكشن ديت اشيلها ولا لا؟
Which one? Where?
اه لا خلاص خلاص.
Yeah, this is the first one, but if I want to do the in the second one, I'll do the same here. So comma and then and equal double quotation and a space.
Okay.
But I think they are, oh, are they the same length? Like the same, I count these.
Can you come here, print and empty brackets, please, so that we differentiate between these two loops?
Okay. Yes.
So, okay, my recommendation is please remove this and note out the difference.
This only like this?
Yes. And remove the comma differently. Yes. Okay, that's good.
Oh, yeah. Now each one is in its own line.
Okay, that's actually good. So it means, and this is
Wow, but
definitely
why the first dash is just on its own?
so this print, every time it does, it just print this and it make the cursor to the new line. So it put it here. But then when you run, you actually, so the end here, it's effect that it will make the cursor after it finish the asterisk, the cursor will remain here. So we print the last asterisk, but the cursor still here. So we will actually print the dash after it. And then after that, this will produce a new line. So this print, the normal print without end, you print this and then move the cursor to the new line. I think you're confused.
Can you say this part again?
Okay. The effect of the normal print without end is that it prints whatever it have here, and then it moves the printing cursor, okay, to here, to the new line. And then once we come here, we will start printing the stars from the new line. So we'll
So
print the stars.
the first one is like an exception because
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yes, exactly.
okay.
Okay. So there is a way to get rid of this kind of behavior, because of course it's weird. What we are seeing here is weird. So,
Yes.
okay. To change that behavior, totally comment that.
Or I can delete, like it will
You
not
can
differ.
comment it first,
Okay.
because we're still learning. So, okay, now look, they're all at the same line, right?
Yes.
So what if can you uncomment line number 2, please? Okay, but wait.
Okay. Okay.
I
Oh,
would like you to actually put double quotation, empty double quotation. You still
Inside?
the bracket, yes, the bracket's still there, yes. Okay, now run.
Yeah, okay.
Now
There's
what do you see now?
Yeah, it's all good. Like there's no problem.
No
It's
problem
not
now, right? So
yes.
we are improving. I mean, it's safe. Are you able to follow up?
Yes,
Yes,
I'm doing the same.
Okay, perfect. So can you please try to remove that from here? Okay, run, please. Again, we run. I mean, it's not organized like before, right?
yes.
So now I will just let you know. So I will start to print stars, and I will print all at the same line. But once this for loop finish, I would like to print something. So come on line number 5, and at
I
this,
delete line number 2 برضو.
yes, definitely.
Okay.
You write a print, empty print, without anything inside. And that print should be
I have a
exactly,
question.
yes, exactly
Is
this.
like
Okay. Yeah.
No, you speak first.
No, you ask.
I mean, is there a اختصار, like instead of writing, because we write print a lot, like print and then we open bracket, isn't there a letter or something
No,
that would take
no.
those print?
So far from what I know here, no. You can have so in when we learn, I think you know what's I mean IDE, right?
Yeah, integrated
So-
development environment.
So when we use an IDE other than the replet, you will see that there is a lot of things that it will auto print for you. It auto write for you actually, and by pressing a tab, so he will see that you write the first two letters. He will automatically continue it for you.
Auto
You just
completion, auto correction.
auto completion. Yes. So by that, it will save you time. So this is how it works. Now, please, this P should be exactly the same indentation like the F. Do you know what I mean?
Yes.
Show me. Okay, now run, please. Now
Yeah.
there is no more space that is coming on the top, right?
Yes.
Okay, so it
But
means that once I finish this for loop, I print a new line that will actually stop.
مثلا انا دلوقتي اكتب 2 برنت فاضيين.
What is to print for you? Where I mean that is this one is for this space, and this belong to the if here. This is indented. This is not. So it means that this print does not belong to the for loop, but this print belong to the outer for loop. I think you are confused. Guys, are you confused?
no, I'm okay.
So what about you, Safe? Are you confused?
لا انا بسأل اكتب 2 برنت ولا.
Yes, you have to write the two print, but this print, its effect is to see an empty line here. This print belong to the for loop, and its effect is to make sure that there is no empty line on the top, and that after every row, we start to write on a new line. That is the effect of that print. Can you comment this print, please, on line number 5 and see what is the effect?
هو الكومنت اخلي فيها سبيس
It doesn't.
اللي هي بتاعت الفور.
I don't understand. What do you mean? Sorry,
عشان كان كامل لي انت اوكي خلاص.
the space when you put a comment, it doesn't matter you put a space or no space. Comment is it makes the line not readable or not interpreted by Python. Python will not really execute it. Did you understand what I say?
اصل انا عندي ايرور.
Okay, this is a different story, but okay, let me before I leave here.
Error.
No problem. Just give me a second. Do you understand
خلاص يا
now?
مستر حلك.
Okay. Yeah, I would like you to understand what is the effect of commenting that print or making it on. Do you notice or no?
طب ممكن نعمل لها ان كومنت واشوف اللي هيحصل.
Yes, please.
شيل الكومنت يا علي لو سمحت.
Yeah, I understand. What does this print do?
Yes,
Each time we when we repeat the loop, it will like do us as it will separate the lines. Like each loop we do, it like it makes it each one on a different line. Like so, each 4 on a line, each 5 on a line, like this.
Okay, can you uncomment it and let him see?
Okay. Now,
No, that's wrong. The indentation is very important.
okay.
When you make it, yes, exactly. So it is exactly like this for loop.
I understand the now.
So this
Yeah.
line is responsible for the row. Like that. Okay. Once you finish printing all the row, then we print an empty space. So it means that the effective end that we have here, so the end calls the Python to write all on the same line. But I don't want that. I want them to be separate. Every time I run this loop, I want the output to be one line. After it finish, I move the cursor. Cursor means the pointer that will make the Python write on a different place on the screen. So the cursor moves here. If it moves here, that it means that next time I try to print, I will not print here. I'll print in a different place, which is the second line, just because of that print. Again, did you understand or
Yes,
not
yes,
yet?
yes. Mister, can I go with my charger because the laptop is 1%?
Actually,
we
we're supposed to be about to finish. So
like
it's
1%, it will give me like 2
never
more
mind.
minutes.
Okay, never mind. So again, Safe and Ali.
Yeah.
Did you how much percent did you understand really this kind of for loop? 80%. So we took it step by step. So I think now if you take this code, this kind of code that you have at the moment, you should play around until you reach a way to do this exercise that I told you about. So here I print 1, and then I start to print 2, then I start to print 3, and so on. So there is some trick that if you do it here in these 2 lines, you will be able to print.
Any 2 lines?
No, I can't. I mean, maybe line number 1, maybe line number 3. So
1 and 3 عشان
Yes.
اعرف اعملها براحتي.
yes, so you can make this, can produce this kind of thing. Okay?
Can make this produce ماشي.
But you have, this is a homework. You will not do it here. You have to think about it. Okay?
Okay. ده الهومورك.
Yes, you can consider
Mister, my
this as a
laptop is
homework.
powering off.
No problem.
Powering
So
off now. Oh,
no problem. We are ending now.
بس يا مستر مش ده. Okay.
So we're ending now. Okay. Tell me your last questions and then we finish.
No question.
No questions. Okay. 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 Safe. Do you feel
Yes.
that you're progressing?
Yes يا مستر.
Really? You feel you're progressing?
Yes. You
Okay.
you think I am progressing or no?
Yes, I feel that, but definitely your feeling is also important because it is you that, I mean, for me, yes. Did you finish the playlist that I gave to you?
The last one, the 7 videos, no.
Yes. How many of them? If you
I
want or
didn't
two,
start yet.
no, please start. Please start.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So far I see you're okay, except maybe, and I think also today I noticed that you are faster in typing, which is also an improvement. Yeah, that's good actually, not bad. So yeah, then if you have no question, then we close now.
Okay.
Okay, anything else before we close?
No.
Okay, then see you next class. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.